Hello, do your plans always work as planned? Hello, I'm Dr. Danielle, a holistic health doctor and coach with the 5 keys to health, wellness, and success. Well, plans may not always go as you set them. Years ago, about 2001, I was teaching goal setting workshop, goal achievement workshop. I had had some great years where I was sick and bedridden, and I was able to get better, set goals, and get better. And I got my doctorates, my diplomas. So I knew how to set goals, so I saw it, and I was teaching workshops. Then I went into a divorce, a lengthy divorce, and I couldn't set any goals. Even trying to go see the dentist didn't work out. It seems every time I made a dental appointment, I had to go to court. And it was a reminder this week when I arrived in Switzerland. I had set up a rental car when I arrived in Zurich, and the company did not accept my driver's license. I just moved to Colorado, and I had a temporary driver's license, and they told me it was okay because there was my pictures, there was a number, you should have no problem. Well, Hertz decided otherwise, so I found myself without a car. I had to take the train to where I was going to stay. And also, I got a knee injury, and it was not healing. I thought it was just a simple, I just knocked my knees, it's gonna heal. Well, it's not healing, so I'm gonna need to have an MRI. My plans in visiting Switzerland are not working the way I planned. So, what do you do when your goals don't work, when your plans don't work? There's one goal you can always set, and it's to work on your character. When your plans go awry, your character can do some training. You can find out what is good about the situation. Yes, it could be better, but maybe there is some hidden blessings behind it. You can keep a cheerful mood. You can work on your character, on your mood, on your mindset. That is always a goal that you can reach. So when your day doesn't go as planned, plan your character for that day. If you want to talk to me, we can have a little 20-minute chat. Go to qhe21.com/now. And I'll see you in next few days with another micro training. In the meantime, live with passion, purpose, and delight. And I'll see you soon.